Hi everyone, here we've got REALME X2 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable, so how to turn on or off the camera sounds on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app and let's check if we've got the sounds on. So let's tap on the shutter button. And I hope that you've heard the click. So here we've got the sounds turned on. If you'd like to turn it off without muting your device totally, then just enter the settings in the right upper corner, and on the second position we've got shutter sounds. So let's tap on it in order to turn it off. If the switcher looks like it, then it means that it has been deactivated. Of course, you can tap on it again in order to turn on this feature, but I will obviously leave it like this. Let's get back and let's tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, the shutter button doesn't make any sound, so it means that we successfully turned off camera sounds. So actually that's all. This is how to manage camera sounds in your REALME X2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.